Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can disable Cloudflare service. This is useful if you need to troubleshoot your website or revert your original hosting settings. After you log into your Cloudflare account, what you will have to do is select your domain and you will just have to click this button right here, which is the three dots icon, and then you will just have to simply click post Cloudflare in order to post it. And then after that, you could also confirm the disable Cloudflare services temporarily. And yeah, that's basically just how you do it. And then test your website to ensure that it's working without Cloudflare. And finally, remember to unpost Cloudflare once troubleshooting is completed. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you, and have an awesome day.